Hey there, welcome to our channel where we explore the best tools for creating awesome content. Today, we're diving into the top 5 video editing tools in 2024, both free and paid, to help you step up your editing game. Video editing is like putting together puzzle pieces to tell a story. In 2024, there are tons of tools out there for all skill levels. Whether you're just starting or a pro, there's a tool that's perfect for you. From adding effects to trimming clips, these tools are your creative playground to bring your ideas to life. Number 1. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is like a magic wand for videos. It's free and has cool features like making colors pop and adding special effects. It's easy to use, so anyone can feel like a pro editor. With DaVinci Resolve, you can dive into color grading, audio editing, and even create stunning visual effects to make your videos stand out. Number 2. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is like the superhero of video editing. It can do things like edit from different cameras and make colors look amazing. Pros love it for making top-notch videos. With Adobe Premiere Pro, you have a powerhouse of editing tools at your fingertips, from advanced timeline editing to seamless integration with other Adobe products for a smooth editing workflow. Number 3. Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects is like a wizard for videos. It's part of the Adobe family and is great for adding cool effects and graphics to your videos. It's a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you can make your videos stand out. With Adobe After Effects, you can create stunning visual effects, motion graphics, and animations to take your videos to the next level. Number 4. Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is like your creative sidekick. It's super easy to use and has lots of fun effects and templates to make your videos pop. It's perfect for beginners and casual creators looking to add some flair to their videos. With Wondershare Filmora, you can unleash your creativity with a wide range of effects, transitions, and templates to make your videos unique and engaging. Number 5. iMovie. iMovie is like the friendly neighbor who helps you out. It's free on Macs and great for simple editing tasks. While it may not have all the fancy features, it's perfect for making quick videos and slideshows. iMovie offers a user-friendly interface and basic editing tools, making it ideal for beginners and casual editors looking to create simple yet effective videos. If you want to level up your editing skills, online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer courses to help you master these tools. It's like having a personal coach to guide you through the world of video editing. Whether you're looking to enhance your color grading skills in DaVinci Resolve or master advanced editing techniques in Adobe Premiere Pro, these courses provide valuable insights and practical knowledge to help you become a pro editor. Choosing the right video editing tool is key to creating awesome content. Keep practicing, exploring, and learning to unleash your creativity. That's it for today's video on the top 5 video editing tools in 2024. We hope you found this information helpful in choosing the best video editing software for your needs. Remember to always keep practicing and experimenting with different tools to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.